Hi, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, bringing you another law of attraction metaphysical lesson from the girl next door. Today is a little different for everyone that's out there that's following me and subscribing. Today I'm giving you a video on what is My World of Metaphysics. What is My World of Metaphysics? A lot of people are finding my channel and wondering, what is My World of Metaphysics and what makes it different from the rest of the channels that are out there? Well, today I'm going to give you that information. I'm going to bring you the information so that it'll be very clear after today what is My World of Metaphysics. What is My World of Metaphysics? My World of Metaphysics is a metaphysical law of attraction channel created by Yvette to bring you the most updated information that's out there on metaphysics, law of attraction, crystals, angels, pendulums, Toro, universal laws. That's just to name a few. Now, you're probably saying, well, Yvette, what makes you an expertise on these topics and what gives you the right to teach us? Well, what I want to say is I've been doing this for probably 30 years or more. I've always been into or interested in the unknown. I've always thought outside of the box. I always thought different from most people. So I spent years and years and years and years studying metaphysical topics, from Emerson to Holmes to Ike to Wilde, Joseph to Neville, and we can go on and on and on, to Scovelchin, to Ponder, and we can go on and on and on. What makes me an expertise on this subject is because I can put together all of these famous metaphysicians, even if they don't consider themselves metaphysicians. I can put all this information together and bring you the most updated information that there is on these topics. Now, you're probably saying, well, Yvette, what can My World of Metaphysics do for me? My whole saying is, if you can control your mind, you can control your life. Again, if you can control your mind, you can control your life. If you can build the knowledge that you need, you can control your life. So you're probably saying, well, Yvette, what is it going to do for me? A lot of you are writing me telling me that you're trying to make changes in your life, that you're trying to create a new life for yourselves. Well, you are at the right channel right now, because I just want to explain to everyone, you are not going to get anything from the outside. Everything that you see and you witness in your life has come from inside. It was a thought. It was a belief first, and then it manifests into your life. These are the type of things you're going to get when you come and visit my channel, when you like, when you subscribe. This is the knowledge you're going to get. You're going to get the knowledge about the angels, about universal laws, about sacred geometry, Sri Yantra. You're going to get all this information. You're going to see how I manifest my house, how I manifest cars, how I manifest jobs. All of these things I have done with the knowledge that I have gained. What makes me an expertise on the topic is not only do I have a degree as a nurse practitioner, but I also have a degree in metaphysics. I am trained in metaphysics. I am trained as an angel card reader, as an intuitive reader. I am trained in all these type of fields. I am Reiki certified. So all of these things are in one, and it's all located in this channel. What can I offer you in your life? I can assist you and put you on your right path to creating the life that you desire. This is a law of attraction metaphysical coaching channel. If that's the information you're looking for, if that's what you're seeking, you've come to the right channel. You can follow me at myworldofmetaphysics.com. If you want to buy crystals and metaphysical items, you can go to store.myworldofmetaphysics.com. You can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest. This is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics. Today I brought to you what is My World of Metaphysics and what we can do for you. If you like this video, please like it, please subscribe, pass me along to your people. I'm trying to reach as many people out there that I can. I thank all of you that have written me stating that my videos have made a change in your life, or confirming that what I'm teaching has worked for you in your life at some point. I thank you for the input, for the encouragement for other people to keep moving on. And I would just like to say thank you to my followers and the followers that are coming on. and namaste.